Hi, welcome back to another roundup from Binks Balustrades. I'm just going to run you through a few of our projects that we've been working on recently. Today we've just finished a project over in Helmsley near York. Absolutely wonderful job. I've been really excited to show you all this one. We've got 2 spiral staircases, 1 oak and glass, 1 mild steel with beech treads, some frameless balustrade and some mirrored splashbacks too. This used to be the old NatWest Bank in Helmsley and the customers totally renovated it into some livable apartments, and she's done an absolutely phenomenal job. It looks really good. I'm really pleased with it. Next we've got the job over at Borough Bridge in Harrogate. This customer had 2 decked areas, one at the top and one at the bottom, and we created a spiral staircase support with another staircase, and we've installed some stainless balustrade and some glass on it too, so they can go from the bottom floor to the top floor with ease without having to go through the building. And next up we've got a job over at Huddersfield. This couple had a staircase outside of their house that went from the top garden to the bottom garden. The balustrade were all timber, rotten, falling apart, so we've ripped all the old timber out. We've installed some stainless steel and glass balustrade and some wall rail as well, so they've got a nice handheld both sides so they can come down the stairs safely. Next project we've got over in Goole. Now this customer has some open farmland and she wanted some segregation between her garden and the open farmland where the livestock roam. So we've installed some stainless steel and glass balustrade across the back of the patio, core drilled into the concrete base underneath, so it's all nice and safe, and extra loading capacity for in case the livestock come into the contact with it. And finally, we've got the last job that I want to talk to you about is over at Ilkley. This customer has done a massive extension on their house. It started off as a small bungalow. They've built out to the side and above, and they've built a landscaped garden at the front, and we've installed some stainless steel balustrade on the stairs, and we've done some frameless glass balustrade on the top, and round the back of the house we've also done some stainless steel balustrade on the back access of the house. I'm really pleased with how this one turned out, and it looks absolutely amazing from the roadside. If you need any information about any of the balustrade systems you've seen on the video, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk. Visit us on the website or drop us an email using the contact form. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again on another one.